Hello everyone, and welcome to my first unboxing for the Wild Hare Kits design team. This is the first kit I have received, and I am so excited to share everything I got with you. I did go ahead and open the package so that I could pull out the packing slip with my address on it and just kind of take a peek at how everything was in there. So because this is my first kit, I did go ahead and fill out a style profile, and I requested a few things to kind of go with the projects I have in mind for this month. So I'll just quickly read you the note that Allison sent me on my packing slip. She says, "We hope you love your first design team kit. We included lots of papers from Maggie Holmes and Pink Fresh Studio and sent both 12 by 12 and 6 by 6 sizes. We also sent some faves such as alphas, stickers, washi, die cuts, and our August exclusive cut file. Enjoy." So this is the Deluxe kit, which is I believe kind of the average kit, and then there's a petite for those months where you just kind of want a few things to supplement your stash. And the things that I requested were some Maggie Holmes Sunny Days, because I only have a few pieces from that so far, and also some of the Pink Fresh Everyday Musings collection, so I can already see some of those things in here. So I will just go ahead and jump right into it. There's the little thank you card. And she just says, "Welcome, Haley, happy creating." And that has the hashtags on it. So that's helpful for sharing things on social media. And so it looks like I got 2 rolls of washi, and I don't have either of these. I'm gonna look and see what collection these are from. This is CD washi. So I'm actually not sure which collection these are from, but I will try to figure it out and put it in the description. But I really love this black and white floral. I did request some floral pieces, and especially kind of a vintage style floral, because I wanted to make in Anne of Green Gables book journal type thing, so I thought vintage floral pieces would be really cool. And I also requested some black and white elements, because I really love using black and white with a pop of color. And then this is just a yellow dot washi, and it looks like it goes really well with some of the other colors in my kit, so I'm excited to use that as well. And then I got these Pink Fresh Everyday Musing ephemera pieces, and you can see all the pieces on the back. I won't go through them all, but I think these will be great to use in a planner, or like I said, in that book journal. And there's lots of labels, which I also said I love to use, and the vintage floral pieces that I requested. So I'm really happy that I got these in my kit. And I got these Sunny Days gold foil die cuts, and these are again a super vintage kind of style of craft supply, so those will be really fun to use in the Anne of Green Gables journal I want to make. I also got these Sunny Days cardstock stickers, and these are super fun as well. Some of those vintage floral pieces and titles, and just kind of fun summery stickers. So I'm really excited about those too. Something I probably wouldn't buy for myself at the store, but will be really fun to use in a planner or art journal. And I did request these, and I'm so happy I got them. They're kind of like a vintage serif thicker. These are the Pink Fresh Everyday Musings Puffy Alphabet. And I just love the color and the subtle like doodle detail on them. And I think those are going to be so fun. And I'll just go ahead and show the last stickers I got. These are gold puffy accents, I believe it says, from Pink Fresh Studios Everyday Musing. And so again, I think probably I got these for kind of like the floral pieces and the labels. And yeah, I think the puffy is going to be really fun to use more in a memory keeping type format. I did mention in my style profile that I don't use a lot of dimensional things kind of day to day in my planner or that kind of thing. But I did say I like thickers and kind of bigger titles like this. But things like flare and chipboard, I usually don't lean toward, I guess, in my projects. Okay, so paper. There's a lot of 6x6 papers here, so that's really exciting. I think I probably received these as pieces for like that journal I was talking about, or for my planner, like to punch out. And let me see if I can figure out. So it looks like there's Pink Paisley Whimsical 6x6 papers and Everyday Musing 6x6 papers. So I'm not sure which is which, but I'll just kind of go through. There's this fun kind of hexagon tile pattern. This kind of vintage tile pattern as well. This is kind of like a blue wavy stripe. This floral, which is beautiful. I'm pretty sure these are the Everyday Musings papers here. This one has some words on it with a dot. And then this one is also kind of a vintage tile look. And then these ones, there's a rainbow stripe, super fun. Another vintage floral wallpaper-ish print. Clouds. Oh, this is cool. It's like, it almost reminds me of a quilt, but there's some gold foiling on it that gives it kind of a shine. And then this kind of golden paper, and then another vintagey floral. So I think Allison really nailed it for me this month with the like vintage floral thing, which I mean, I'm always a fan of, but especially because I requested it this month. And so then I have some 12x12, and these should be easier to identify with the branding strip. So I have this Maggie Holmes Sunny Days. This one's called Coral. This beautiful pink kind of feathery pattern, and then this 12x12 frame. I always kind of struggle to use 12x12 designs like this because I don't do 12x12 scrapbooking, but it would be cool to kind of fussy cut these and use them as a border or as a title, like this little piece. So I'm sure I'll figure something out for that. Teacups, super cute. It kind of reminds me of a scene in Anne of Green Gables, so that's super exciting. This is Everyday Musings, Full of Joy by Pink Fresh Studios. That's going to be so fun. And then there's that matches the 6x6 that I got. Here we have the little cut file. It looks like it's a sun this month, and I don't have a silhouette, so I'm glad that this comes with the Deluxe kit, so that will be fun to layer on top of papers this month. Then we have this crepe paper, kind of pink color with the golden border, and this is Sunny Days Whimsy, and again this beautiful floral, and I'm loving kind of emerald green right now too, so really excited for that. And then we have another crepe paper, Sunny Days, I believe, with this fun lettering on this side, and then this one's called Charm Again, beautiful vintage floral look. I love this so much. This might have to be the cover for my journal. This one is Everyday Musings Good Times. This one is super pretty as well. I love the like lilac tones in it. And then the back side, that's cool. That's like a super great kind of subtle background. Another great Sunny Days floral. This is Apple Blossom. These colors are stunning. I love navy blue and pink, so that will be super fun. And then the back is cool too. So in a journal, that would be fun to use both sides. And then on the style profile, you can request to receive cardstock. So I did go ahead and check that just to kind of see what that was all about. So I got this piece of basil cardstock that, let's see, it's called Berry Blush. So this is kind of a textured cardstock. And then this is Echo Park I Am Mom in blue and yellow. So those go really great with the other papers I got. So those will be great kind of staples to use. And so that is my kit for this month. I am so excited to start playing around with all the pieces and to share the projects I make. Let me know in the comments what your favorite piece is and how you'd use it. And we can share some ideas. And also be sure to check out the other design team unboxing videos to see what they received in their August kits. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe to see more of my videos, and I will see you next time. Bye everyone!